Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling fan with lights for repair purposes. Let me open it up. We have in here the instructions, all the important information about it, how to install it, everything, which I think that it's great. All the functions of the different buttons of the remote control. These are the fans, right? They come really well protected in this back and bubble wrap. Okay, as you can see, a pre-bladed fan. Okay, okay. Everything really well protected and foam. I think that it's great. Okay, and here we get the proper main unit. Okay, let's see what comes. That's it, okay? It gets you all the things that you're going to need to do this installation, all the nuts, bolts, wires, and everything. And to take it out, just hit this, and that's okay. You get this cord so you can hang it and don't have any trouble when you're installing it, which I think that it's really, really nice. Okay, take it out. And it seems like a really easy installation, so let's go ahead and start, well, installing it, and let's see how it works, okay? Come on.
Okay guys, as you can see, the proper installation process of this fan is actually really simple, and I think that it's great because it's really space saving and it's only 32 inches, and I think that it's great because it can also be controlled totally with the remote control, not just in the speed, everything. It also has a memory function so that when it turns off it will be automatically turned on the mode that you were, and it also is noise free, okay, so you can be comfortable sleeping with a quiet living environment, which I think that it's really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. We can turn on and off the lights and the fan with the remote control, which I think that it's nice. You get up to 6 different speeds to choose from, and you can also select a more natural wind light function, which I think that it's perfect for those times where you just want to be chill around your house. What I think that it's great is that you can also use it forward or reverse depending of the time of the year that you are using it, and you can seamlessly dim it down or up, as you can see, which I think that it's really nice. We can also change the temperature, get it colder, warmer, however you need it and however you like it. Okay, as you can see, it's really easy. Okay, you can also set it up like a night mode light, which is this one, and also change the color temperatures really quickly with the press of just one button, which I think that it's nice. Also, another function that is great is that you can, well, turn on and off independently the light in the fan, so you don't have to worry about it, and you can turn everything off also with just one button, which I think that's great. You can also set it up for a 2 or 4 hour timer, so it will turn off automatically, which I think that it's great. Okay, that's those times you just want to leave it on and it will turn off automatically when you go or anything like that. And I think that it's really nice. As I've said, it has different functions that I think that it's great to place it wherever you need it, in your bedroom, dining room, your kitchen if you need it, which I think that it's great. And overall, I like a lot, and I will really recommend that. See you guys.